Nde wondi oma na ega anyị ntị ebe unu nọ tata bụ n'Obi Voice of the East ebe anyị na-ewetara unu maka obibi ndụ ndị Igbo enwelu nwa okorobịa mụ na ya nọ tata nwa okorobịa na-akpọ ọchị ịghachigide isi ebe anụwa wee matuo unu ga-anụ afịa na ọbụrụ ma ga-ekwe mana ihe a na-akpịa bụ Mnet comedy na nnọọ.
Thank you. No, they will.
No. Akọwara m gị ọfụma gwa anyị afa gị na ebe isi.
Okay, afa m bụ Mnet comedian. Abụ m onye Enugu State. Amechok na ndị Nkanu. Imeka.
Ofe otu kwenu. Anyị nwere mmadụ n'eziokwu.
Yeah.
So what can I say?
What can I say?
What can I say?
So don't worry, very soon you get what I can say now.
Okuna no iPhone in a kwadobe something that is coming up. And
yes.
You have brought your first time you made something like this. Yes. Call your first time.
Okay, name but on our school in Soka UNN because UNN Kanje. So I've been doing other editions but this time Simba they no go question if this thing I name I question so near I name so I think I will take this edition to Enugu. Yeah, so this is the first city-wide edition. But what can I say?
So what are we expecting now? What can I say?
Okay, we are expecting entertainment, with blend of music, culture, because I gonna rap culture there. We want to make people feel that I make we and we are recognized. Then comedy by the funniest comedians you ever come across. And music, dance, and some other surprise, things that
also be really kwano. If Obuni be what can I say? Amakwa maybe gano. Mnet, can you go this one I'm about to ask now, yeah. Maka Christmas homecoming.
Yeah.
But we want to see more. So what are we really? I want you to your madu. Nekwana Mnet gane me gana puta maka ihe December. Nekwe ihe unu gafu. So achom ki gwandi madu nekwe ihe ha gafu na Mnet na akwado ibia.
All right, so on the 13th of December at the Base Landmark Event Center, Mnet Comedian Live, what can I say? Obuni no Enugu. I don't know why you are not in Enugu now. You should be in Enugu now. So come back before the date so that you can go to Enugu enjoy. You need a go for the event. You understand? You are going to be getting the value of your money. The entertainment is going to be top notch. This thing because
can we give
away this thing? I know room. So the entertainment from stage play, we have comedy, music, dance, or more.
You choke.
We are cooking. Yes, we are cooking.
We are cooking. Yes. Can't you go how would you actually say Christmas in the East feels like?
East now, but anybody that is sleeping on the East now is missing out, honestly. Because Christmas in the East, many people they are coming back now, and not the East that they are coming to. So the East now name go right from time. So the people who are saying the East is not, or they are not trying to have their Christmas in the East, I'm just going to tell you are going to miss out on a lot of things.
I'm telling you, they are going to actually miss out on a lot of things because Christmas in the East is the best. It's getting
the best too.
We are cooking.
Hey.
So now, where would you be spending your Christmas after
in the East now?
No, we know it's in the East.
Yeah.
Where?
Yes.
That's Enugu.
Yes, Enugu.
So Enugu is the place for you to spend your Christmas. Okay, that's really good. So can you tell us? You're not supposed to tell us this one, but we would want to know some of the even if it's just new talents that will be seen at the Mnet.
All right, so we have Savio Umotu.
Consider.
Yes. Then we have Fanta the Joker.
Fanta Nkai.
Yes,
Fanta Nkai.
So he'll be there. Like we have our own Twin Parrots and Machine, MC for God, Anonymous. Then we have musicians, Paddy K, David Blue, and a whole lot.
Okay.
No problem.
So has comedy been the thing for you from onset? Did you ever from the beginning your comedy you say okay, no I can meme?
Not really. It was along the line that I discovered the whole thing. I'm like, oh, this thing, though. I have the talent and I've been building it from there.
So how did you gather the jokes? Because I'm on a comedy show like this, I laugh so loud. So how do you actually gather the jokes you tell?
Okay, from real life experiences, you get.
Okay.
So and then conversations we have with people and some are fictions too. You get, so maybe as we're having this conversation now, we might just talk about something and I'm like, oh, this thing is funny. Or, you get, then I go and I, write more, add some ingredients and all those things. Then experiences, our life experiences and all those things, something you can relate to. Might be about childhood or what is currently happening in Nigeria now. Might be about very dark man and so we can just, because everybody can relate to that. I still can make something that's how we gather it.
So do you script comedy? Like do you script it? Like do you script it and then bring it to stage?
I do, and then I also, get on the spot.
So you can perform magic without actually writing it down?
Well, I know Kwadokwe, but Imago, while we are performing, we can, come up with something on the spot, be spontaneous with the whole thing.
Okay. So a lot of young people out there that want to actually go into comedy. So what are you going to tell them? A lot of people never went So what would you tell them?
Okay, I'm going to tell them to be confident, you get, try it out. You get, although you have to have your own niche, know what sells for you, know this thing. That's the most important thing. Because most times you might not just get it once. You really keep perform, child, you will not get the reaction you want. You just God, am I wasting my time?
Am I really funny?
Yeah, that kind of thing. So you need to be confident, know that I can actually do this thing. Know if the talent is there, or because or because I can make it. So you have to know if it's really what you want and give it a shot.
So who inspire you most now, all these comedians? Because I know there are a lot.
Yes, a lot. I will first start with Bovie because of how he thinks, how he delivers his jokes, the branding and everything on him.
Bovie.
Yes.
Okay. Who else?
Then we have Basket because he's basket mouth now.
So who are you really desperate to work with? Like
Bovie.
Yeah. They shout out to the Bovie.
So my guys, if you are watching this video, I've been writing you. Just respond. You get me?
And I believe he will respond after watching this
please
video.
Respond.
Has there been a point as a comedian that you wanted to stop?
I wouldn't say there's any point. Because each level we get to, God makes the whole thing easier for us to scale through. Like since I announced the show, it's been one blessing to another. So, I mean, everything has been aligning. Although it has not been easy, you get. Sometimes you have some challenges and all that, but we are pushing now. And I'm not going to say we don't get to the point of wanting to quit.
Seeing the industry, the entertainment industry as a whole, what would you say? As somebody who is still actually trying to come up to the top, so what would you say about it?
Okay, I'm going to say that the industry is growing. I mean, the entertainment industry in Nigeria has produced a lot of talents globally, internationally, locally, and all those things. So we need... Okay, now let me say this East now, we need people to shine more light on the talents in the East. We don't really need to travel to Lagos and all those places because there are a lot of talents here. Yeah, so we need the spotlight to be on those talents. We need sponsors. We need people to actually invest in what these people are doing, so that now. So we identify with our own and do our own, just the way other people are supporting their own.
You heard him, because let me also say, now all them they should come down to this place
Yeah.
and see that now I'm a very beautiful talent.
True.
I when like you will see people who actually have what it takes. You don't need to travel out. You don't need to go to Lagos. Maka, I know a lot of young people who come with the talent. They feel like, oh, I'm not going to make it here.
Yes.
People started here, they made it here.
True.
You don't need to go, or you don't need to leave to make it here. So how would you define, or how would you talk about Enugu in general when it comes to life? Like Christmas party or Christmas life in Enugu, how would you actually say that?
Enugu is growing, is booming. We can all testify to that now. Not like before that, you know, a lot of events stopped. Right from time, Enugu has been booming via the whole stuff. Just, you know, a bit of setback in some places, but we are coming up now. I mean, we are up already.
We are up.
So, but I mean, Enugu. About Zinkabo, Lotaba, somewhere else. Enugu corner bottle.
Enugu corner, but
So come home, come to Enugu.
okay. Ndị ọma na-ege anyị ntị, unu afụgo ka mụ na Mnet si wee kwuo nke tata. What can I say?
What can I say?
What can I say?
What can I say now?
So if you're not coming for what can I say, you just have to kwakọta ngwongwo gị ebe ọbụla ị nọ. Kpọlụ ma ụmụ gị, village gị niile, just go tickets. Now what can I say? The ticket is on sales right now.
Yes. We have regular 5,000, VIP 15,000.
How are we going to get it?
Okay, we are selling the tickets online. The link is in my bio, so you can get, or you contact the number on the flyer to get your tickets.
Please, the flyer and the link on his bio, na his Instagram account.
Yes.
So just look it at, just type or Mnet ozigbo on that, but to keep going kegi ki have you no sold out. Maka very soon, you got no sold out. The man ntị daalụ kwano ebe anu akanyi na piachi nkata mona Mnet comedy. Let me just go and prepare Makadi. What can I say? Obuni da abiazikwa. I don't know.
What can I say?
What can I say? So ngwanu ke mesiano.